Good morning, everyone. So welcome back our class. So today our class will be focused on the, how to understand, how you can master some of the basics function for the IBM, the quantum composer in the in quantum lab. So this is one the lesson from the introduction to the quantum computing and programming. So I hope after this class, so you can understand how you some the basics function for the quantum lab. Okay, let's look. First, this one is the first page from the quantum lab. Yeah, you can go to the quantum lab and go to the quantum composer. Yeah, actually, quantum composer that guy is graphical the tool and can help you to design the quantum program, and you do not need to any kind of coding. So that's kind of very very lazy. That's I won't say very lazy, and maybe can help you have a global view about how the program look. Because on the the disadvantage for the programming, when you code line by line, something you forgot how the overall the program look and how the output you want to expect. So that is a disadvantage. That is quantum composer can help you design from the top down. Yeah, top down. So that means you can design your system first, and the quantum composer will be will generate the code for you. So okay, if you see in this screen, so quantum composer can provide a couple of the function and can let you drag and drop something. You see this part have some icon, have some icons, can help you to create some operations, and over here you can drag and drop some operations to the the design, to the circuit design. Okay, we will let's look about this kind of the function later in step by step, and I will introduce one by one, and let us see how it works. Okay, the first this is the zoom out the version for the the operating function for the quantum composer. So over here we have a total about the seven sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we will go step by step to see how the function or how the some functionality for each section. Okay, about the first one, that's called the menu bar. So this one, we have a file, we have edit, we have view, right? Based on this one, you can create a new circuit. You can manage some of the saved circuits or the registers. You can customize your workspace and more. Yeah, so you can create, and here you can rename about the under title the circuit. You can rename it by yourself to for example to your circuit name. Yeah, it's my first program, something like that. And over here you can see some operation, yeah, and some circuits we will look in detail later. And actually in the file you can open the existing file. Yeah, that is very convenient. About the circuit name, I just mentioned, we can enter, we can enter the title, the new title for the program, and you can rename the circuit to the appropriate name. Actually, this one only tell you to separate, create the custom name to make sure the name is not duplicated with the other. Yeah. And the third one is called about the can help you to run or set up environment. So this third section, you see the setup and run. Over here you can change the run setting, and you can run your circuits. So after you complete the design, for this part, you can click run, and the system will be run and show, show the result and can show the code. So this one is important. Yeah, after you complete the design, you need to click there and try to run, or you can change the running setting. I will talk about the setting later. About the for. So if you see over here, maybe have a total about the, you can see over here is a 6. I think the trend, this is 23, this 23, total 23 the operations. You can see this first line 6, 6, 6, and about the 5, right? So that's 23 the operations. And this one kind of visualize the icons. So like for example, this is a hard market, right? And this one is negative or C note, right? Yeah, C note, this one C note. And the other like T shape, yeah, and the poly that's operation. So you can click there and create. You can move here to create. For example, over here, they create two hard market and one of C note operations. Yeah. So over here, that is very important. You can drag and drop. Drag and drop and selected gate to build the circuit. Yeah. About the file, this one is after you create operations to the circuit, and you will see about the code, quantum code. It have two type in the quantum, open KASM, the format, or QKit, yes, this QKit, the code format. And you can switch between the two kind of, the format type, QASM, or you can see the original QKit. So this is this version for the QKit. Yes, this from the QKit. Yeah, QKit format. And actually, this one is generate automatically. You can see read only, right? Automatically, and do not need to you to touch over there. After you complete the design in this part, so the code will be generated automatically. So don't worry. Okay, about the sixth section, section 6. Okay, so we have this guy of the main designer. So over here you can create how many qubits you want to working. Yeah. So this area can allow you design or build a circuit and can drag a gate or the operation from the left side from this one, and go to the the horizontal the qubit from this one. You can add, drag and drop over here. Yeah. Something, yeah, you can add over there, and to connect every operation to build a kind of quantum register. So that is one of I think that kind of basic you can try by yourself. So that is section 6. About section 7. This one is can help you monitor about two states. First is kind of state vector. You can see it's state vector. And the second, you can monitor about the Q-sphere. Over here, you see about this kind of section will be visualized about some, the amplitude or computation basis state. You can monitor it, or you can see some, Q-sphere. Q-sphere, that means how the qubit directional. Yeah. So I think this kind of visualize how the code work, and you can monitor some variable in the quantum state. Okay, that is most important for the quantum composer. So I hope when you run and you code in this quantum composer, you can test some of the function by yourself, step by step, and understand the function. Yes, some basic function for the quantum composer. Yeah. Okay, so I hope that it can help. So actually, this one is kind of a little bit simple. Only try to explore the environment. So I think that's the, I think everyone can catch it. Okay, thank you. See you next lesson.